Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the motor in your Thermomix TM31. Replacing the motor can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, you can do it yourself. Let's get started by gathering the necessary tools: a screwdriver set, pliers, a cleaning cloth, and thermal paste for reassembly. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Start by removing the base cover. Use the screwdriver to take out the screws located at the bottom of the unit. There should be 4 screws, keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the cover is off, you will see the internal components clearly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or residue inside the machine with a dry cleaning cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your Thermomix after the repair. Next, locate the motor harness. Gently disconnect the wires connected to the motor. It's important to remember which wire goes where. Taking a picture can help you during reassembly. Now, it's time to remove the old motor. There are typically 2 screws holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to take these out, and then carefully lift the motor away from the base. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new motor with the screw holes and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fitted, as any loose components could affect performance. Reconnect the motor harness, ensuring each wire is connected to the correct terminal. If you're unsure, refer to the picture you took earlier to confirm the correct configuration. Before reassembling the base, it's a good idea to test the motor to ensure it's functioning correctly. Plug in your Thermomix and briefly turn it on. If you hear the motor running smoothly, you're on the right track. Now, if you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you can get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. With our service, you'll face no calls, no travel, and we provide a quote before any repair is done. Once confirmed that the motor is working, turn off the machine and unplug it again. Carefully reattach the base cover, aligning it properly. Insert the screws back into their original locations and tighten them securely. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust that may have accumulated during the repair. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor in your Thermomix TM31. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Enjoy cooking with your fully functional Thermomix. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.